Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I watched Friends and now it's stuck in my head again. Anyway, today's update is my Partners in Cream 2022 update, and the project was set up by myself and the beautiful and lovely DaLin. She will be linked up here and all of the information will be down in the description box because I always forget to include something. There is a playlist and that will be linked down below. It is a cream project pan, pretty much anything that's not a powder, 3 to 6 products, but it does not matter. And I'm personally working on 5, 4 to finish and 1 usage goal. And let's just get into it. Okay, today I have 2 products rolling out. So that's good. After the last update, I'm going to start with my 2 pencil products just so I can get them out of the way. The first one is my MAC Whirl pencil. I have the piece of paper here. I'll put it up there. It moved down a little bit, but it was actually hard to measure this because the writing wore off where I was measuring it from, and now I'm not really sure. So we're nearly there. I had this pencil in my 20 favorites in 2020, my Partners in Cream 2021, and now my Partners in Cream 2022. And I pretty much use this exclusively. The only colour lipstick that I would wear that I wouldn't use this pencil for is red. And for those of you who are wondering why I sound weird, I have Invisalign in. I'm on week 5 or 6. And for some reason my speech is fine, except as soon as I turn on the camera. The camera just judges me. But anyway, here's where I am with this pencil. I love the MAC lip liner formula. This just says it's the lip pencil. It doesn't say it's like the Pro Longwear or anything like that. I personally prefer a drier pencil and I prefer sharpenable. So that's why this is one of my favorites, and Rimmel. And I just really like it. I just sharpened it there. I don't want to waste it. I don't know if you can see that color. God, I'm pale. I'm pale. It's getting into fake tan season. I think I've tanned like twice this year so far. So much effort, but I love doing it. Anyway, tangent aside, I've used this pencil 25 times since you've last seen it. And I really love it. I will finish this year. I do really like the MAC pencils, so maybe one day I would repurchase it, but not now. I think it's 19 euros, but if it's lasting me this long, like, it's not a waste of money. And then the second pencil product is my MAC, no it's not, it's my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. And I got this as a gift, which I'm really grateful for because, oh no, it's, yeah. It didn't go down on the piece of paper. It says I've used it 16 times since we've last had it in. That's how much is left on this pencil, just a bit, but it is drier. I tend to tightline with this. It doesn't last long in my waterline. It does get quite black. It comes off and it pulls in the corner. And I was thinking, you know the way I don't know if you know, but I was thinking, oh, maybe I have watery eyes. And I'm like, no. I used to wear glasses and I couldn't wear contact lenses because I had dry eye. Now, I don't know if that's anything to do with your waterline, but surely if my eyeballs themselves are prone to being dry. Anyway, I don't think you can purchase this anymore, but I'm really glad that I'm getting to try it because, like, I don't tend to buy mascaras or things like this that are expensive, and I'm glad I got to try it to know that, yeah, no, this doesn't suit me personally. There's 0.37 grams in it, or 0.01 ounces. So that's curious, but I'm working away on it. I do tend to use it on my upper, like, tight line every time that I do my makeup. So those are my 2 pencil products, and then one more, and then into my empty and my 2 rolling outs. This is the primer potion that I got from DaLin, and this is from Urban Decay. I can't make another marking. I did go down 0.18 of a gram, and I went down 0.27 grams the last time. I didn't do my makeup as much. I did change, oh yeah, sorry, you're seeing this video. I filmed my Team Project Pan and my Pan That palette and I went into it there. But my routine has changed, so my makeup application has changed. So once I get back into a routine, it'll be fine. But yeah, I didn't wear makeup as much. I really like this. It is expensive. I have finished one of these before. I finished 2 of these before. I finished the small one that came in the Urban Decay palette and I finished the full size. I think. Definitely the small one, but I know I finished one after that one. And then I finished samples. Anyway, sometimes my skin is oily. Sometimes it can curdle out on the outside. So I just put it on and set it straight away and it's all good. I do have oily skin. I do tend to get dehydrated skin in different areas, but it's always oily. Like last year it was dehydrated in one area. This year it tends to be right here. I don't know, but my skin is always oily. My makeup always comes off, but my eyeshadow does not come off. And I have hooded eyes. I have hooded eyes and it doesn't come off. So it really does work. After I finish this, I have one more like stereotypical eyeshadow primer. Once I finish that, then I think I'll try, is it the Milani one or the Physician Formula one, whichever is a dupe for this but is cheaper. If it's not, I will get this again because I know that it works. I know that my skin is oily and I know that when I do go back into the office, the hours will be long. So that is that and I'm happy with it. Now, into my empty and my rolling out. So it is this Kosas product. This is the Kosas Tropic Equinox in the shade, it's the Kosas Cream Blush and Highlighter in the shade Tropic Equinox. There's 9 grams in total. I think it was 37 or 38 euros. I'll put up on the screen where it was if I have it, I'm sure I do. I was working to finish the cream highlighter and I was working to get to 20 uses on the cream blush. I had said in my last 2 videos that this is gone rancid. Like the smell of it is gone rancid, like rancid. The product itself is not old, but people had let me know that this is a clean brand. I did manage to finish the highlighter shade. It took like another 20 uses to get to it. And I did get to my 20 uses on the... Oh no, it's disgusting. I'd just be afraid. You know what that smells like? It's going to give me pimples. Play-Doh. It smells like greasy Play-Doh, which is a shame because I love this. I love the colour of this. So if I ever finished all of my cream blushes, and perhaps then I'd consider it. However, I do have a colour similar to it from MAC, so maybe I'll be okay. I might swatch it on my hand and see. Is my MAC Glow Play blush? No, that's brown. I'll swatch it to see, but anyway, I reached the 20 uses on the cream blush and I did finish this highlighter. I did get the... I find it very hard to declutter things if I get it in my head that I'm going to pan it. I always had found it hard to declutter, and then in the last couple of years I got a bit better about decluttering, but I haven't gotten around like my brain and letting me declutter things I'm panning. And one of the comments in my last video was like, just get rid of it. Just get rid of it. It's not going to be good for your skin. Just get rid of it. And I was looking at that comment and I was like, that is so true. Like, why? I have other things. So I appreciate that person who left that comment. And I finished the highlighter. I hit the uses. It is now going. I think it was 37. It was whatever the figure is. It's 18 euros 50 per pan. So I managed to get 18 euros 50 worth out of it, plus like a little bit out of this. Like I did use it a considerable amount, but I just don't have pan on it yet. I am disappointed that this one bet me to the finish line, but at least I got 100% got half of it used. I did like it. I didn't know it would expire that quickly because I know it says 18. I don't think I have this 18 months, to be honest. Now it's time to roll in a to finish product and a usage product. So for a to finish, this is new. I didn't spend any time thinking about this. I was just preparing for the video. I was like, oh, I have to roll something in. So this is like the worst way to decide. But I am rolling in something that's new, and I will put up on the screen if I'm incorrect, but I believe I actually got this in 2022. This is the Bronzino Suncoast from Tower 28. This has 4.5 grams in it, or 0.16 ounces. It says there's 12 months to expiry. I think some people said to me, not to me, like who am I? Some people have said in their videos, I think this brand is another culprit. Oh, like, is it? Because people have said the lip glosses do tend to go. So my plan was to pan my NYX lip glosses next because they're the oldest. But like they must be created with like the essence of youth because they are not dying. I'm nervous about my Tower 28 ones. But yes, I'm rolling this in because one, I'm afraid. Two, I don't know what I come off with like on camera, but I am quite fair in person. I am very, very fair with pink undertones. I know like with editing there's saturation that's a bit different on the camera. Maybe that makes me look a bit deeper. I don't know, but I am fair. And this is too light as a bronzer. Is that not unusual, girl? It's too light to be a bronzer. On my hand it's not. Like on my hand it's not. You can totally see it there. So I could use it as a bronzer topper. I did try it the other day as a highlighter and it's just off as a highlighter. It is a really, this smells okay. There is no smell. This is a really nice, I have lipstick on my aligners and it's so hard to get them off your aligners. I am ranting in this video, I'm sorry. So I'm going to roll this in to use as a bronzer topper or highlighter or whatevs, girl. It's going on the face. I'm going to try to finish it. I'm not going to rush. It is new. I don't know why I'm doing this because I should really roll in my older one. I don't know, but this is the product we're going with. I will weigh this and take a close up. I forgot to do both, so I better do that before I put it away. And then for my usage, I got this as a gift. A very thoughtful gift from my little twin. Barbie Law. I link her Instagram down below. I really enjoy her as a human being. She gave this to me for my 29th birthday. Was it last July or the July before? If it was last July, it was my 29th birthday. I thought that was really, really thoughtful. Like people, there's such a lovely community. But this is the Flower Bomb blush in the shade Bitten. There is 9 mils in it or 0.3 fluid ounces. And it looks like, holy crap, that is going to be in your face. But on, like look at that. It's cray cray. But it blends out so, look at that, look. Can you see that? It blends out so nice on the face. So I thought 20 uses. If you haven't seen my other videos, I had a usage goal section because I have a very deep dark red blush from Natasha Denona and I don't want to use it 200 times in a row, but I still want to get use out of it and I still like it. So it's for products that I don't want to use 600 times, but I want to use because I like it. And so this is why I rolled that in for here. So 20 uses, and did I say how much weight is in it? This says 6 months. I don't entirely trust this month thing from opening. But anyway, yes, I am all over the place. I have not filmed in a little while. Everything's up in the air. I don't know what's going on. Are those my feet? If anyone is wondering, this top is from Shein because I put it in my Shein haul last summer. But yeah, sometimes I get those questions. I thought maybe I will. Okay, I have to stop. I can't wait to see everyone's video. If anyone is like a smaller than, like a very small content panner or else a panner that I just don't know, will you like leave yourself down below and plug it? Because I want to watch some new people and I don't know if nobody's either being recommended. Do you know the way on your recommended page I'm seeing no videos, like the most random things are coming up suggested to me. The most random videos are coming up recommended and no Project Pan ones, and I'm running out. I just that's what I enjoy watching the most. So feel free to shameless plug yourself underneath, even though there is a playlist. I know, bear with me. I do appreciate everyone that's watching, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to those of you who are doing it on Instagram, on YouTube, at home themselves, and just I'm sure there's other platforms, but that's all I'm in the know with. I have no idea how to use TikTok or anything else, so, or Twitter. So here we are. Sorry. Okay. Bye. I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye.